A farmer needs to take a fox, a rabbit, and a crate of veggies across a river. The only way across the river is by a small boat, which can only hold the farmer and one of the three items. Left unsupervised, the rabbit will eat the veggies, and the fox will eat the rabbit. However, the fox won't try to eat the veggies, and neither the fox nor the rabbit will wander off. How does the farmer get everything across the river? Take the rabbit across the river. Come back with an empty boat. Take the veggies across the river. Bring the rabbit back. Take the fox across the river. Come back with an empty boat. Take the rabbit across the river. Did you get it right? Thanks for watching.